Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. In which Indian city is the largest post office located? Your right answer is Mumbai. Option C. Dash Award was instituted in 1961 by Sports Ministry of Government of India. Your right answer is Arjuna Award. Option A. Hemoglobin is found in. Your right answer is blood. Option B. Which of these festival is celebrated with dance like Dandiya and Garba? Your right answer is Navaratri. Option B. Who among the following was awarded with the Padma Bhushan in 2019? Your right answer is Darshan Lal Jain. Option B. What are the main devices present in a sonar which is used to find the distance, direction and speed of underwater object? Your right answer is transmitter and detector. Option C. Who has won the Hockey World Cup the maximum number of time? Your right answer is Pakistan. Option C. The number of electrons in second period is. Your right answer is 8. Option C. Who among the following is the longest serving Prime Minister of India? Your right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D. Which of the following floats in water? Your right answer is cork. Option A. The amount of substance that contain as many specified elementary particles as the number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope is known as. Your right answer is mole. Option A. Human ear convert audible frequency of sound into electric signal which travel to the brain through. Your right answer is auditory nerve. Option D. Which fossil fuel is a complex mixture of several solid, liquid and gaseous hydrocarbon mixed with water, salt and earth particle? Your right answer is crude oil petroleum. Option C. Which of these animal is generally found in cold region? Your right answer is polar bear. Option C. Which of the alkali metal is the smallest in size? Your right answer is lithium. Option B. The demand for the Constituent Assembly was put forward by Indian National Congress in 1936 at its section held at. Your right answer is Faizpur. Option B. Why are the sole of the shoes provided with grooves? Your right answer is to increase the friction and to provide better grip. Option B. Auditory sense referred to. Your right answer is hearing. Option A. Which ball game is also called ping pong? Your right answer is table tennis. Option B. A current of 5 ampere flow around a circuit for 10 seconds. How much charge flow past a point in the circuit in this time? Your right answer is 50 coulomb. Option D. What is the India rank in the Lectum Prosperity Index 2017? Your right answer is 100. Option A. Which of the following acid is present in the stringing nettles? Your right answer is formic acid. Option C. Which of these animal has a coat of spines to protect itself? Your right answer is hedgehog. Option A. Which of the following river does not originate from the Aravalli range? Your right answer is Mahi. Option C. In which of the following year is cricket set for a return at the Asian Game? Your right answer is 2022. Option B. The IUPAC name for CS3CO CS3 is. Your right answer is propanone, option C. Which of the following gases is not a greenhouse gas? Your right answer is carbon monoxide, option B. Acid dash in taste. Your right answer is sour, option D. A situation marked by rising price and stagnation is demand is known as. Your right answer is stagflation, option C. Which of the following is the highest mountain peak in India? Your right answer is Kanchenjunga, option A. Which of the following trophy is not associated with cricket? Your right answer is Ryder Cup, option A. The resistance of a conductor directly proportional to its. Your right answer is length, option C. Which lens is used for correcting hypermetropia in humans? Your right answer is convex, option D. Which part of our body does rheumatism affect? Your right answer is joint, option A. Aluminum foil used for wrapping. Your right answer is food items, option C. The most reactive among the halogens is. Your right answer is fluorine, option A. Who was the first person to land on the moon? Your right answer is Neil Armstrong, option B. Which of the following state consists of super energetic and super excited particles? Your right answer is plasma, option A. With which of the following sports is Parupalli Kashyap associated? Your right answer is badminton, option B. Across which of the following river is Metu Dam built? Your right answer is Kovri, option A. Which of the following gland prepares an animal for flight? Your right answer is adrenal, option D. Which Mughal emperor was also known as Salim? Your right answer is Jahangir, option D. Which is the main fuel used in a nuclear power plant? Your right answer is uranium 235, option B. The refractive index of second medium with respect to the first medium N21 is given by which formula? Your right answer is ratio of speed of light in first medium to speed of light in second medium V1 by V2, option D. The outermost fibrous coating of the eye is called. Your right answer is sclera, option D. What is the SI unit of relative density of a substance? Your right answer is no unit, option C. Onion is a dash. Your right answer is bulb, option A. Which of these transport oxygen to every cell of the body? Your right answer is RBC, option B. Which ingredient makes bread fluffy? Your right answer is yeast, option C. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day.